This is Mel Wolverson with IT Training at the University of Missouri. Today I'm going to show you how to link in Dreamweaver CC. The first thing we want to do when we link in CC is select the item. So whether you're selecting an image or you're selecting some content, you're going to want to choose that item first. For instance, I'll start with some text. When it's selected, down at the bottom in the properties, you will see HTML and CSS. By default, it will be CSS, so you're going to have to choose HTML down in the bottom left, and then you can click in the link box, and you can type in your link if it's an external link, and you can select the target, click on that, hold, and drag that over to whatever file you want it to link to. So I'll just link to this image for an example. And then that turns that content that you'd selected into a link. Now I can do the same thing with a picture. If I select this logo, I can come down to the bottom and I can either use the target or the folder to browse for a file, or I can just type in what I want. Now remember, an internal link, it's something within your website, so another page or another file. If I want to link to an external project, then I need to type in the full thing. That's an external link. So I need to type in http://doit.missouri.edu/training. And that way that will go to our main IT training page. As soon as I hit enter, it confirms that link. Now with some objects and some templates in Dreamweaver, you will also have a sandwich up in the top left-hand corner, a little sandwich menu, when you select the item. You can also click on that, and that will allow you to edit the HTML attributes of an item from here. And down here, I can choose this link box, the content in the link box, and I can change it there. So either way works perfectly well. It's changing the same place in the code. If you would like to select a link like one of these buttons, just click on the button itself in live view, and then down on the bottom you'll see the properties area, but you will see that there is a hashtag in there. You can remove the hashtag and put in whatever you want, and I can go ahead and use the target again just like I did before, and now that button will link to this picture, which is not normal, but it'll work. Up here we have the same thing. We have this home text, and again I can come down here to the link box. Notice there is a hashtag, and that's just so that the preview looks like a link, and I can type in again whatever I need to put in there. In this case, I want to link to the index page, which is the home page. So I'm going to click on my target, drag that over there, hover over index, and let go. Now you can see down in the link box it says index.html. Yes, I could have typed that in there and it would have been just as easy, but in some cases your file system might be a little more complex. It's going to go in that box. Hopefully this has been helpful. I am Mel Wolverson with IT Training at the University of Missouri. Click subscribe to get more content. Go to training.missouri.edu to check out all of our content and in-person classes.